South Fayette Township Library. I'm here on a beautiful day next to a beautiful stream. Today we have a special Earth Runs video. It's brought to you by the South Fayette Conservation Group and a student, Nikki Cronin. Mrs. Cindy Cox and Mrs. Holly Bama are part of the South Fayette Conservation Group, and they're all going to tell you about what they do, and they're going to talk about Watershed today. So enjoy the video, and remember to always be friends to the earth.
Here was Miss Bamba and Miss Cox, members of the Board of Directors of the South Fayette Conservation Group. What is the environmental impact of the South Fayette Conservation Group?
Well, the Conservation Group was formed about 16 years ago, and we saw the need to form a group to protect not only the environment, but to conserve what we can of a growing township, try to help out learning and educating the public on the best practices, as they call them, on development here. But our very large project is working on Miller's Run, getting rid of what we call the AMD, which is the abandoned mine drainage. It turns it orange.
Normally when we demonstrate this model, when we're working on this with kids or just community members, we do usually a worst case scenario run where everybody in the neighborhood's kind of doing the worst thing possible for the environment, and then we do a best case scenario. So we'll do a quick worst case scenario here, maybe on the farm. So we pretend our farmer here maybe is just using a little bit too much fertilizer, not really reading directions, so that stuff kind of ends up going all over the place. We'll do a little bit, maybe that one. And then we have some pesticides to control pests, but again, maybe we'll say that the farmer's not quite reading directions. That stuff is just going all over the place. I look solidified. There we go. And then the cows, which the kids always get a kick out of. They go in the stream. That happens right in the stream, which, believe it or not, is a big problem
And
in some of the more rural areas of this township. So that's happening right there. And then everything is fine for now, but then it's going to rain. And the end result here being that all of this eventually is going to wash into our stream, and then life for Ferdinand, our fish here, is going to turn out not so good. As you can see, the pollution is just moving. So it's a really nice visual way to just kind of show how what we do on land can very much so affect the waterways.